what is up guys? So today we are going to look over the problem of group anagrams. Okay, let's go on to the problem. Give an array to array of strings group anagrams together. Okay, so actually what are anagrams is like if the keyword or the word is having all the same letters. Now let's say for example 8, eat, t, and t. Okay, now if you see in 8, a, t, e, three letters are there, and in eat the same three letters are there as of eat 8, sorry, and same three letters are there of s 8, that is t. So that is why how we are going. So these, in these, all these three words all the letters are same. In these two words all the letters are same, and this no other letter was same, so it is other separate group for that. So we have to group the elements based on the anagrams. Okay, now let's in the first example it was eat, t, and 8, and the second it was 10 and net. So and then again it was bat. Okay, so now that is how we have to group. We would have been given an array, and then we have to make a separate array, and in that array another array of groups of words will be having. Okay, so that is what we have to do. Okay, so this will be actually group number 1, then group number 2, then group number 3, and at last we have to group all them together, and then we have to return the value. So that is why if you see we have to return in list and list format. Okay, so that is what we need to do. So okay, so I want you to pause this video and try to code this program on your own. I'm going to code this in Java language. Okay, yeah. So now let's code the program. So what we are going to do is just create a variable to put our return values. So it's going to be same as the above one, string. Okay, and we will tell it return pair. Okay, new list, and sorry, list string. Okay, yes, okay, fine. Okay, now this is for our string. Now we need to actually make a hash map to store. Now what my actually thing is, how I am going to like achieve this solution is like I am thinking to sort all these letters individually. So what will happen is 8, in 8, now if I sort 8 it will be a e t, right? Now if I sort eat also it will again will be a e t. Now if I sort t, then it will again will be a e t. So now if you see all the letters are same, right? So that is how I'm going to compare through every values. Okay, every single string. And if that is not there, if that group like in the sorted value is not there, then it must be another group, right? Yeah, that is how I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to create first of all a hash map to store all the groups, like letter groups. Okay, so it will be first of string, then again it will be of list string. Okay, and then I will name it new pairs. Okay, new hash map string comma list and string. Okay, now I have to run through every word, right? So I have to run through. So I'm just going to create a for loop. So let's say for, now let's say string str, or let's say string current for better understanding in strs. Okay, now let's say we need to actually first of all create a new array of characters. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create a, so char sorted, I will name it that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort the string that is coming inside the loop. So I'm going to sort strs one by one. Okay, now strs, so what I need to do is strs, not str, sorry, current dot. So sorry, first I need to convert the string into character array. Okay, so what I will do is use a inbuilt method to char array. Now a whole string is converted into character array. Okay, now it is easy to like sort the characters. Okay, so I'm going to again use a inbuilt method array dot array dot sort. Okay, array dot sort char sorted. Okay, now char sorted, I have sorted the current array, that is I have current array of characters that I've sorted. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to compare if a new pair, sorry, if new pairs dot contains, and contains, it actually will be key. Okay, so contains key, and key would be our char sorted. Okay, yeah. Okay, now once we have obtained the key, that we have maintained that this sorted array will have some other strings to it, we need to create that. Okay, so uh, I need to add a key. Okay, so new pairs dot add key, add key char sorted, and yeah, that's it, I think so. Yep. And if right now what I need to do is new pairs. Now if that is already there, if that pair of characters is already there in the string, so we need to just get that. Okay, so if get char sorted and add current. Okay, add current, that means if a particular set of characters in a string is already exists there. Now let's say once I have sorted in character sorter, that AET is now a particular key for a group of strings, and AET comes again, then please make sure that they are in a particular array. Okay, sorry, actually I did something wrong here. I need to add new array list, because it will be actually a new array list. Okay, yeah. So so now a particular, whenever a particular new key comes, it will make it in it will create a new a character array for that. Okay, yeah. So that's what it is going to do, and it's going to add already if it is there. Okay, yeah. Now once it is done, what we need to do is we need to add all the elements to our return pair once it is all done, right? So after the for loop, return pair dot all add all new pairs. Okay, once I've added that, I need to just return, sorry, yeah, no, it's fine, return pair. Okay, and I think so we should be good to go. Okay, let me check for a second. Okay, 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 okay. Actually, I did a mistake in here. Actually, it will be not this array list, and yeah, no, this is fine. Okay, oh, I did a big mistake here. Actually, I need to create string sorted will be actually equal to new string, and it will contain char of sorted value, right? So I need to actually remove sorted, and this will again will be sorted, and this will actually will be put. Okay, I did some mistakes here. Okay, and yeah, I think so. Now it is fine. Put sorted, add current, yeah, and sorry, actually it will be values right here. Okay, yeah, I think so. Now I think so I'm good to go. So let's run the code. Okay, now what is the problem? Array dot sort cannot find simple char sorted. Oh fuck. Okay, wait a second. Oh sorry, it will actually will be sorted, right? Yeah, so this is fine. Then again, return pair add on. Okay, sorry, in add on I think so this should be big A. Okay, yeah, I think so everything is fine now. Not sort. Okay, so what I actually did wrong is I need to make it arrays, and I think so this should be fine now. Answer 8 fat 10 nat. Okay, I think so everything is fine. Let's submit it now. Okay, it's accepted. Okay, let's go to more details, and it is actually 97.06. Okay, but it passed all the test cases, so that is good. So if you are having any better solution for this, please go ahead and mention in the comment section, and you can note the solution. Okay, yeah, so yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.